for some spiritually seeking, spiritual techniques and spiritual practices and spiritual tools on the tool belt can seem to be helpful in the apparent stories of human beings. Even if perhaps the results may be fleeting, not lasting. And for some, the spiritual techniques and practices and tools on the tool belt may seem to be heavy and weighty. And for some, there can be a seeing, if you will, for lack of a better word, that which has been spiritually sought after has actually always been right here, right now, present. No requirement of doing or undoing or not doing anything. Simply always present. Right here, right now.